So let's close up the sides. First we need to move our zipper out of the way as best we can. Line up the zipper teeth with the center of the bottom. Match the corners. And this is the exterior side we're dealing with first. So match up the center. Let's pull it so that it right. And then clip this side. Like this. And then we're going to try to get the lining to match as well. So we open up our lining and we bring it up. This is the corner. You bring it over here and you try and match it on this side. This is quite tricky, so take your time to do it. And then again, we go on the other side, pull our lining and try to match it up over here. When you're stitching, open up the seam allowance on the lining side, stitch across. As you can see, my zipper is still in the way, so I have to try and get it out. So I'm going to go through and try to pull this. Every time I pull that, it closes in the top. But we're going to have to try and work with that. This looks quite messy, but we're going to make it work somehow. Right, so we're going to take this and sew across as best we can. Gonna scrunch it, flatten it down. This is what we've got. It's not perfect. Let's see. Okay, this is not. I have to go in a bit more here because I'm missing the edge there. So we're going to put another line of stitching on the inside here. Zipper is the problem. It's preventing me from getting really close. Okay, so let's see again. Nice, this looks better. We'll go with this. So now we have to try and do the other side. Same procedure. Sure your zipper teeth are close together. And I think you should make the larger size. It may be less trouble to stitch. It's more a larger material you're working with. This is the small size and it's quite difficult, at least for me, to get it situated how I want. Sure your seam allowance is open. Again. Okay, this is the hardest part. After this, we'll be finished, almost. Again, it's not perfect. Gosh. I'm gonna go again on the inside. I don't think I'm doing a very good job of this. Okay, we're gonna trim away. sides. Okay, let's turn it out. Let's see what we've got. Gosh, the opening has gotten very small. Also, I would suggest if you're making the smaller one, don't use vinyl. Maybe just use cotton fabric. It'll be easier to work with. Just one side. Oof. Ooh. Goodness. Okay, it's the final. That's very thick. Oh, finally. Oof. Finally. That took forever. So I have to stitch the opening in the bottom close, and that will be the end. So just see what we've got. Okay, it opens up quite wide on this one side, and we put our bottles in here. And I just have to sew this closed to finish. You can sew the opening closed by hand if you like. Well, let me see if I can get it done on the machine. If not, I'm gonna hand stitch it. Okay, I'm gonna hand stitch this and be done with it.